In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Canva related business. First, open your web browser and head to canva.com. Log into your account so your work saves automatically and you can access all your designs later. On the home page, select Create to start a new project. Decide what type of digital product you want to sell. A logo template is a great place to begin because it's in demand and quick to customize for buyers. Inside the editor, build your design. If you have graphics or brand elements, go to Uploads, choose Upload Files, and bring in the images you want to use. Add text by selecting Add a Text Box, type your message or placeholder brand name, and then refine it. Adjust the font style, size, and color so your layout looks polished and easy to read. Click the background and change the color from the color menu at the top. Choose a palette that complements your fonts and graphics. Keep your layout clean and balanced and consider how a buyer will swap in their own name and colors. Once your logo page is ready, add a second page. Use this page as a thank you and instruction sheet. Here, include a short message and a clickable template link so customers can open a copy of your design and edit it themselves. To generate that template link, go to Share, choose Template Link, then click Create Template Link. Copy the link. Back on your second page, select the text you want to make clickable, open the three-dot menu, choose Link, paste the template link, and click Done. If a confirmation appears, click Done again to close it. This ensures your buyer can access a ready-to-edit version of the template with one click. Now prepare your file for delivery. Go to Share, select Download, and choose your file type. Pick PDF Standard and download it. A PDF is ideal for digital marketplaces because the hyperlink on your thank you page stays clickable, guiding customers straight to the template. To grow your Canva-related business, create multiple templates, explore trending styles and niches, and be creative while keeping your designs easy for customers to personalize. Package each template with a clear, helpful second page and its working template link. Finally, list your products on platforms like Etsy, local marketplaces, or your own website, and market them with strong titles, descriptions, and preview images. With consistent quality and thoughtful instructions, you'll turn simple Canva designs into a reliable online income stream.